This song was written by, again, one of our good friends, Sister Kainani, and our other good friend for the Weldon Kikaoha recorded this song. And it's kind of a special song, and Weldon's a good friend of mine. We were actually in the Honolulu Boy Choir together back in the day. And I'm sure he does songs like Kapilina. So I'd like to do this song that he recorded. He kupili aloha ulei kaupohi honau nai kaihu no he ai kamata ni ko i kaua ele hunde kimi pohe ke kanu He kupili aloha ulei kaupohi honau nai kaihu no he ai kamata ni ko i kaua kile une kili pohe i ke kane lehua Vendalo ke aloha o kauno mai hoi kau he kahi lei no he kupili aloha kulei kaupohi oh nau nai kaihu no he ai kamaka nile koi kaua ile ule kili pohe i ke kani lehua Vendalo ke aloha o kauno no he ai kamaka mili ko i kaua kile hune kili pohe i ke kani lehua lehua Mahalo, thank you.